Today I'm going to show you a robot attached to a hoverboard which can sense obstacles and avoid it. So this is how to make the program. So the way the hoverboard works is that there's a large motor connected to port A and there's a large motor connected to port D, and that's what moves the hoverboard. There's also an IR sensor connected to port 3, which is the short form for infrared sensor. And those are basically the eyes for the robot, and that tells how close an object is. So to turn the hoverboard, you have to move both motors in the opposite direction. So for the program, this is a start button, and after that, it waits for 5 seconds before starting the program. So we set this to 5, so it's 5 seconds. And when the program starts, I added a sound of it laughing to show that it's happy to get its hoverboard. So we'll go to expressions, and I chose. Then after that, I put another sound of a motor starting. So I went to Lego sound files, and then went to mechanical, and after that, motor start. And after that, I put a loop which runs for 20 seconds, so it will exit the loop after 20 seconds are over. Inside that loop, I put another loop, which will exit when the IR sensor sees an object with 40% proximity. While it doesn't see an object with 40% proximity, it will keep on moving forward at a speed of 75. And I'll keep this on, so when it sees an object with 40% proximity, it will exit the loop. So when it exits the loop, it will play a backing sound, mechanical, and then it will play the backing alert sound. Then it will move back for 1 second. So I have to make sure the ports are the same, A and D. And for this one, it's also A and D, because these are the large motors. And I'm gonna make it move back for 1 second. So I'm gonna change this to seconds, and that's 1. After that, it's going to turn for 2.5 seconds. So to turn, one has to go backwards and one has to go forwards at the same speed, just opposite. So this is 75 and this is negative 75. Negative 75 is so that it goes backwards, and 75 is so that it goes forwards. So A will go forward and D will go backwards in order to make a turn. And after that, it repeats the loop. It goes back here, and when it sees an object with 40% proximity, it exits again, and it continues for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it plays another sound, and this is the motor stop sound. You can connect it to another block like this as well. So this will be motor stop. And that's the program I made for moving away from obstacles. Thank you for watching.